Maintain multiple text accounts at once with Easy Texting. Our Managed Accounts feature allows you to invite your full team to safely receive and respond to text messages from prospects and customers alike. Ideal for marketing agencies that manage multiple client accounts, as well as businesses with multiple locations or franchises. Managed Accounts allows you to easily create a secure permissions hierarchy with one parent account overseeing multiple child accounts that you can manage without having to juggle multiple logins and passwords. Capture your account metrics and generate real-time reports on behalf of a client or franchise location without having to log into multiple accounts. And high-value plans also provide an opportunity to purchase a bundle of messaging credits at a bulk discount to allocate amongst individual client and franchise location accounts. With all of our managed account tools, texting for your business has never been easier. Now you're sending smarter with Easy Texting.